I don't. It might not be nothing, but just like, just make sure it still has bait because they were picking it for a while.
Perfect timing, perfect timing.
It's not a. It's a different carp though.
Okay, it's all good, it's all good.
Let's fucking go,
no
bro.
No fucking way, dude.
Yeah, I'm being the shit so you can hold it.
Yeah.
Oh, you got hooked on the net again.
Chinga.
Oh, that's a different. Yeah, it's a different carp.
No, it's a carp, but just smaller though. It looked gray in the fish though. Here's your fish. Spice.
I said that on stream, bro. Shit. Yeah.
Bro. And I'm like, FadeitLuie, I'm screaming.
Shit, bro. I did not mean to say that. Yo, when I'm on the game, bro, I'm a totally different person, bro. Hold on, bro.
That shit was funny as fuck though.
Look, we could do this the easy way or the hard way.
Bro, you're recording the fucking car. I should record the drive.
I love natural. Oh my. You got this, Chris.
No more. Oh, this one. Hell yeah.
I'll pay you 30 cents an hour.
How much is the payment for like viewers? Like, how does that work?
30 cents an hour. Now I was going to imagine. Okay, they pay you per 1,000 views. So, how much a company pays per million views on YouTube? You know what I'm saying? Okay, we over here fishing. We finally got to the spot. The boys. They coming. The boys came. Hey.
Dude, I'm gonna go on YouTube holding shit.
Oh yeah. Telling you, man, we got the fish post right here. Got that shit. Boy, Chris right here with the shit. We got motherfucking bells. We're gonna put this bitch on here. It looks like some balls, low key. It looks like some testicles.
Well, it's a good pair for the glizzy you just ate.
Alright, yo, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Hit that shit. Hit that shit.
Fuck no.
Damn. We got some shit. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Some fishies. Fishy.
And the swivels right here, catfish, and then the rest. That is way fucking better. Yeah, I would even like. I would like. Here's this.
Alright, it's done.
Alright, This should be way fucking easier. I was watching videos on it. See that? Dope. It's the bait.
Oh, this is the new one, right?
No, this is the old one. But we weren't using that for some reason. No.
I'm recording.
Fight it.
You good?
I got you. I'm recording. Go ahead. You're good. You're good, my nigga. You're good. Come on, Dame.
It let itself.
Oh.
Let's go. Yo, we're eating tonight. I don't give a fuck. Let's go.
Richard, be careful with your line. It might cross.
Get this shit on camera.
No, it's good.
All right.
You managed to just.
Oh my god, that's a big one. Let's see.
Hold on.
Let's go.
Oh. Damn, dude, it's fucking fighting.
What the fuck? That bitch ass fucking fish ass fucking bitch ass
Don't
motherfucker.
do it yet. Hold on. Let it go to the surface.
Bro, that's a nice one, bro. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Hold on.
You guys see that shit?
Alright, ready? Yep. Wait, no, wait. I'll tell you.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna get it closer, see if you can do it.
Its scales are fucked. It's been in war. Damn, yo, yeah. Yo.
The adrenaline.
Big ass fucking yo. This nigga died. Oh shit, yo.
Bro, I'm shaking.
Yo, that bitch is huge, my nigga, yo.
Fucking go.
My nigga, yo.
Let's go, dude.
All right, let's go. Let's get away from the water. Let's go. Let's back up. Let's back up.
Right.
Let's go.
Back here.
Yo, that bitch is
dude.
huge.
Alright, FadeitLuie, you're using my rod. I already caught my fish. I'm good.
This fucking big ass fucking.
Bro, tell me that's not a good fish, bro.
Holy shit, bro.
Bro, Richard, you gotta convince your parents.
Dude, come on, bro.
Go. Yeah, you have to take a picture. You have to take a picture.
Oh my
By the way,
god,
you guys
bro.
want a fish? You guys
Yo.
gonna eat it? Are you guys gonna eat
No,
it?
I'm not gonna. No. This is too big. This is too big. No, mama's
That's
for
the only thing I
real.
hate about this net. Fuck. Okay, so damn, it pierced its lip. It's all the way through, dude.
Damn, I got all that shit on camera.
Dude, I'm shaking. I can't even grab the line.
Oh my god.
Bro, it's not breathing. What the fuck?
This bitch is fucking huge, bro.
Take a picture. Take a picture in the
Bro,
video.
that is insane, bro. Some thumbnail shit.
Let's fucking go, dude.
You want some masa?
Let's fucking go, dude. So the way you revive a fish, you slowly go forward and back. So the water can go in its
Wait, so he's
yeah.
dead right now?
It's like it's in a state of shock.
Come on, you little bitch, wake up. Yo, did you kill it? Yo, my nigga Damien, yo.
You see how it's like coming
nah,
back?
bro, yo.
Witchcraft.
Nah, bro.
You like just slowly do it. Doesn't it take a while? Cause he like knocked out.
Bro, he killed the fish, bro. That's fucked up. Bro, he just killed the fish, bro. Oh my god. What the hell?
Ready?
Bro,
There you go.
it's dead, bro.
There you go. That's good. Let's fucking go, dude.
Okay, so I got my tools right here.
Alright, so like when the tank comes, let me know when to take off my sombrero. Like if I'm cooking another fish.
This is the setup I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using the Gamma Ergos with the Gamma Prodigies. Something real easy that I could carry. Got my cape right here. Hehehe, yes. I'm about to fade this thing up. No, just...
No way.
My nigga's getting the cut out here, bro. That's just crazy.
No one's ever done this. Come on, Richard, you gotta do it too.
Damn, that sounds satisfying.
You want me to cast out for you? FadeitLuie?
Yeah. Perfecto. Linguini.
Tom. Should I get closer to the cut?
Yeah.
Chris.
Oh shit, good luck, right?
Oh shit, dude. Wait. Mid fucking cup, bro. Hey, if you can, put a bell on FadeitLuie.
Bro. Yeah, I was gonna start fading your shit, boy.
Yeah, man. Every time.
Reel it in a look like slowly, the one on the right, but leave it there though, slowly. A little bit more.
No, white boys were probably tripping, bro.
I know they were.
Like, bro, these Mexicans are crazy. How's it looking on camera?
Crazy.
Can you tell or no?
Oh, like the fade?
Yeah. Or the lineup, like a little bit?
No, I can see it. I can see it. I might have to get closer for the camera to see it though.
Oh, you're good.
So you gotta record the sunset too when it hits.
I'm gonna fuck her ass up.
It's relaxing as hell, man. Bro, what the fuck?
I'm confused as fuck. I don't know if it's on or not.
Just reel it in. Just reel it in.
Reel it in?
I don't. It might not be nothing, but just like. Let's just make sure it still has bait because they were picking it for a while.
Yeah.
Just fucking go. They're better be pissed, but. Do you feel anything?
Yeah, I feel something. No.
Oh yeah, I have one. Oh shit.
Oh.
Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
It's not a. It's a different carp though.
Okay, it's all good. You have this on video, right? It's on video. Y'all better fucking have it on video.
Oh, dude, the eggs look.
Oh,
It's blood, bro.
Let's go! We got one, baby! Fade that shit!
Let's fucking
Go! My boy Chris!
Let's fucking go,
no
bro.
fucking way, dude.
Yeah, I'm being the shit so you can hold it.
Yeah. Damn, dude. Oh, I got hooked on the net again. Oh, that's a different. Yeah, it's a different carp.
No, it's a carp, but just smaller though. It looked gray in the fish though. Here's your fish.
Chris, let's go!
Oh, for real, dude.
But I'm untangle this.
Yeah.
Smoke that shit!
What is-
Wait, let me get it high!
Record it.
Bro, that nigga's high as fuck, my nigga!
Damn, it's tripping already, dude.
The eyes start cross-eyed. He's tripping, bro!
Yeah, I'll take out the actually. You can hold it.
I use this on y'all, so I'm not gonna touch it.
No, it's all good.
Something like this. You're gonna press it in as hard as you can.
Beautiful.
You want to set her up? Yeah, bro, I think this is the best fishing trip we've had. It's fun as fuck, for one.
All of us are here.
For real, all of us
We're all
are
gonna
here.
catch a fish, watch.
Yeah. Let's fucking go.
Hello.
No, it's taking though.
Oh yeah, they're fucking with this one.
Damn, bro, that looks nice. That fucking looks like a video game.
I got that all on camera.
Like, you see how it's like going back? Dude, this is a big ass one. Hold on. Yo, this is a big ass one.
Oh yeah, get light. I need light. Yeah. Nice. I'm at 11% on the camera too, so this is perfect.
Is it gone? Fuck. It jumped off, yeah.
What?
Fuck, dude, that was a big ass one.